Greetings to all our viewers.
Hello.
Alright, so Gavin and Shanna here, and today we are at Hero Circle.
Right, and the famous.
Right, so our
famous.
correction, the famous Hero Circle.
Right.
Indeed.
Alright, so right here there's crabs and corn, boiled corn, saltfish, all kind of stuff. So we're going to try some.
Alright, so Munchie, talk to us.
So today we have roast yam and saltfish, boiled corn, roast corn, crab, and the famous cow skin and chicken foot soup at Munchie's spot at Marshall Stall.
Straight up.
Alright,
Straight up, a wide variety.
Right, so we are going to try some of the stuff that Munchie has, yeah? Let's go.
So your pot a bubble?
Try one, right?
Oh god, that one is gonna be so jelly. Hi.
Yeah, different stalls with people selling pretty much the same things, but yeah. Yeah, but this is actually corn.
Yeah.
She's pulling it off from the cob. Yeah.
To get it ready to go in the pot.
All right. So this is Marsha. So yeah.
Hi, Marsha.
Yeah.
Give me a nice eye, Marsha.
Hi. So that's before the corn is cooked.
Right.
Nice. We used to plant corn in a country, you know.
That's when the corn is steamed. That's a roast yam. And we have the roast saltfish, and you also have this one. This is the same roast saltfish, but it's cooked down with onion, tomato, cucumber, and pepper. It's nice too.
It's nice too.
There we go.
So you want one roast, one boiled corn?
Okay.
Nice.
That's the boiled corn. Seasoned with scallion and thyme and pepper. Salt.
I hope you're not too spicy going on.
No.
You're too spicy.
But you need a hard one or a soft one.
No, which one is it? Eh?
You don't want the, I don't know. I'll
Give me
the
soft.
one.
We can't take nothing too hard right now.
Sure.
One up, one give me.
Yeah.
So this is a soft boiled corn.
Alright, let me tell you because grandma always do this, so
Yeah.
let me tell you if it's juicy, I know it's there.
Alright.
You can do it, Nick. You can do it.
Actually. Woo! I taste the pepper, the seasoning. No, this is good. Alright, yeah.
What's that?
One try, baby.
Some cup of coffee.
Spicy, don't. Sorry, Todd, you can't taste the spice, but I don't like spicy food, so that's why. Yeah. So over the National Heroes Circle is where Jamaica's prime ministers, people like those are buried. So we're going to go for a walk there. Check it out. Back to my corn eating.
Right, so what the idiot? There's one on the third.
Baby, give me my corn. They're not spicy. What do you know pepper some man?
You want to salad?
Yeah. Pepper have to cook? No, you have to put a little garlic in there. You don't put garlic in there? Eh?
The regular size, alright.
Thank you.
So Shauna is about to try a leg. One a Munchie leg.
One of Munchie's crab leg.
One a Munchie leg.
Backside. Dang. I can taste the pepper. Oh my gosh. I hate spicy food. The spice is nice. There's flavor, but geez, spicy.
Go give her.
You ready? What do you think about it?
It was actually a good book. Actually changed my mind about certain things.
Yes!
I'm not going to show too much of your mouth, maybe not too much of your
21st
mouth.
century, visited by Robert
And it's
Kiyosaki. And if you read Robert Kiyosaki's story, you know that he and his wife, they went to university. So Munchie's advice is that the concept you eat, don't forget the flavor from it. So this is how you bite it. I bite it so, she said I go ahead and stush so.
Yeah, put it in your mouth and bite it. And chew it up. We're talking about the concept, nothing else.
Oh, me wonder what she have about it now.
No, I mean, you have to talk with enough people mind. Welcome.
Right.
Welcome. Yeah.
Whoa. Steamy hot.
Welcome. That is welcome.
Oil up. So this is K, right?
This is K.
Alright,
Let me
K.
hear me, yeah? On the start.
So you can come and ask the K. Yeah.
This is K problem.
Yeah.
What you said.
It's a K massive
Yeah, we
crab
sell
them.
from 400.
How was the crab experience? Spicy.
Yeah, what?
It's our turn. So she finally has some time for us. So she'll do our washing. Clean lady. So Shauna is waiting on her twab. As Abby say.
Oh, Happy always call it twab. She doesn't call it crab, she says twab.
We are being served
And they get this small
our crab.
one. I just give her that one on
What
it.
you do is, you get a pot, put it in.
Shauna go dive in our crab. No.
Flavor block box. Hot. Oh,
Hot daddy.
hot man.
Cure flu.
So this is the YouTubers eating my crab and drinking my soup.
Yes!
Okay.
Crab is
And
so
enjoying it.
This is extremely spicy. My lips are burning.
And get to the crab and everything. Come and get to the crab and everything. And soup and everything.
I'm boiled corn, kind of tastes good.
Yeah. Boiled corn and roast yam.
I took cook up stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Cook up saltfish. Pretty.
So you're going to get soup, crab, corn, and yam and saltfish.
Yeah. So far, the corn is really good, very good. I love the flavors. And the crab has so much flavor. I don't like sweet, so. Maybe I don't like
No, so when you drink this soup, eh?
strong back.
Right. Good evening, baby.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Problem when we go.
What a stress.
So, baby. That's perfect, man.
Sweet a minute.
What you want, one there?
What you want?
I want to kill with the knife, man.
Don't call my name. I couldn't explain.
Come show me what you want now. And that?
For me? Oh.
You me and deal with it now. You me and deal with, man.
I'm afraid of
Do you think someone could have gone to deal with nobody before you? Yeah? Alright. Let's do it. What for? Yeah, me not for that.
Okay, so Shauna just got the yam and the saltfish. Which one is this, babes? Is the cook up one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But with all of it is roasted saltfish, but just cooked. You know, with this one.
Yeah.
In the
Roast
sauce,
saltfish,
this
but
one like
it's placed in the
tomato
sauce.
and what is again? Cucumber.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's the yam.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. So how many eat this now? Maybe.
Should I take a biscuit? That's what the first thing I eat it.
Yeah.
Should I take a biscuit?
Oh, alright.
What did you do the skin with?
Alright, so I'm gonna take a bit of everything.
So skin can eat?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the best part of it.
Alright, so I want to try. So a piece of the saltfish. Ah, man. Saltfish. What is cucumber? This good. Not salty, not fresh. This is good.
Precious. More water, please.
Yes, the roastiness.
Of the yam. It's good, don't it? Not salty.
Real roast yam.
Baby, what you know about roast yam anyway?
Yard man thing.
But what you know about roast yam? What you know?
Not much.
I'm thinking, what you really know about roast yam?
No about it today.
You know about it today?
Yeah. YouTube.
Our brother is roast,
Bros.
otherwise known as salmon bread.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, watch here, sir.
Hello, Mr. Army Man. How often do they actually change again? Oh my God. Alright, so we'll just look around. I'm monument for the Right Honorable Michael Manley. So a great trade union leader, former prime minister, politician, and international statesman. Michael Manley, 1924 to 1997, prime minister of Jamaica, 1972 to 1980, and 1989 to 1992. The more I have thought about the morality of the politics, the more there has emerged for me a single touchstone of right and wrong, and the touchstone is to be found in the notion of equality. Beautiful, so profound.
So profound.
Individually, equality is a myth without freedom. Oh my gosh, this is so much power. There's so much power in that. Yes, so Sir Donald Burns, a songster. November 26th to April 11th. He was the second prime minister. Wow, he died only 1 month after his appointment to the post. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And he was actually, based on what I have read, he was a great man. Ah yeah, he's a good one. Donald Sangster, very good.
What Shana said?
So this is his monument. Hugh Lawson Sherrill was sworn in as Jamaica's third prime minister. Was a gracious statesman. These are so nicely manicured. I like these monuments. I like that it's free, and I like that people, Jamaicans, near or far, are just able to come inside here and to just look at these monuments and to just, you know, pay respect if you feel like paying respect, or just remember these things and your country.
The monument of Marcus Mosiah Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero. So this, one of the man who said to training now, started
Back to Africa movement, all these things.
back to Africa. What the ship name? The Black Star Line.
Starliner, yes.
No one remembers about Marcus Garvey. See, boss, yeah? Right there, sir.
Gavin, why? This is Jamaica's only female heroine. Her name is Nanny of the Maroon. And this is her monument. And I mean, from you could see what that looks like a mask, and then the abeng, right? I was saying, yeah, this had to be nice. Yeah, and yeah.
Whoa, this is different.
It is different.
Yeah.
Norman Manley. Oh.
Manley. There are two armed guards who stand at the ease position.
Yeah, because their commemoration is actually for the
In memory
the
of the
men,
Jamaica who
men.
memory of the men of Jamaica who fell in the Great War. Their name liveth forevermore. What is this?
And the guards, they're gonna do a changeover. Absolutely beautiful. Baby, don't go into it. little